Kodwa ke isiZulu sithi akho soka lingenasici. That yes, sometimes there may be in your journey certain things that you may not know how it might have affected others. I'm reminded of the marijuana judgment. Many of us wondered what has happened to Justice Zondo. Really? As a Minister of Agriculture at the time, I wondered how many trees should one count to say these marijuana trees is what can be called it will be for private use. But here you were. And I said, okay, this judgment, though I'm not quite agreeing with Justice Zondo, but it actually opens up an opportunity for us as a country to reflect on how we can use this green gold for commercial purposes. So while the Justice Committee in Parliament was still counting what the trees would be, we decided as the Ministry of Agriculture to make a presentation that to actually make it easier, while we are grappling with this matter of counting the trees, why don't we just create an opportunity through the legislation which the Justice said we must provide to also allow for commercialization of hemp and cannabis. I'm not promoting cannabis, but there is industrial and medicinal use with which this tree can be utilized productively. And indeed, Chief Justice, today we have many farmers, particularly in those areas of Eastern Cape and eMangwaneni in KwaZulu-Natal, now planting hemp for commercial use. Again, enabled by the judgment that not all of us quite appreciated at the time. Isoga akosoga lingenasi.
Chokolate diza kuyithulele inkulumo esikhathi bevalisa yena laphana ke uChief Justice Zondo ke lapho ke khona nje emncome kakhulu ke ngegalelo lakhe libambile ke endimeni yokuba uChief Justice ke kulona ke eParliament laseNingizimu Afrika. uZondo ke uzothatha ke umhlala phansi njengamanje ke ungene ke ijaji elisha.